So, I've decided to build myself a keyboard. I got kind of sick of the one I had. It was just a Logitech one, blues. On Amazon, I'd ordered it, and it wasn't blues. It was not blues at all that I put. I put browns. Considerably, both are bad switches. Because I was too scared to try linear at the time, since 150 I thought was way too much money to spend on a keyboard to just be testing switches. And then this keyboard came around. I'm just... I spent way too much money on a keyboard. I'm gonna have all the parts linked down below. It costed me around 300 Australian dollars, and that's double of what I spent on the other one. And I was worried about these switches, okay? Everyone raved about them, but like, I was just so scared. But like, now that I have them, I'm not sure, you know, if it sounds just as good, but ooh, they are good switches. They are good switches, especially compared to blues. I'm so happy with my Holy Panda so far. I love the style of the keys. I love the RGB in the board. Only complaint is there is some form of command that I sometimes do that just removes my ability to use WASD, and so I just have to get rid of that. But besides the point, here is me building a mechanical keyboard for the first time in my life. So, gotten some parts. GMM K10 keyless. Mass drop Holy Pandas. Acco keycaps. Gonna be building a keyboard. Haven't done it before, but it's gonna be pretty good, I'd say at least. So, you know, I know a little bit about building keyboards. Not all that much though. Well, my old keyboard is this Logitech keyboard. It's just, it doesn't have very good sound. Blues don't work too well when you're trying to stream and record things. Quite frankly, they don't sound that nice even out of it. That's okay. So, I'm gonna be... Watch out. Here's the board. Okay. Here's the keycap color and that stuff. Oh, some custom keys. Some grips, I'm assuming. And the cable for my new keyboard. Okay. Well, this has been fun. Hope you have a good day. Nah. Come on, you know I'll do that to you guys. Just put that there for now. These are, quite frankly, from what I can tell, these are pretty nifty fucking switches. Look at that bird. I'm just gonna take this off. Slide that one off. Shouldn't this kind of fit on? Oh, wait. Okay. Give this a go now, shall we?
Okay, that works, that works. This, pretty bright. Jesus, that's a lot of colours. Alright, well, let's get to putting on the rest of them, shall we? Looking gorgeous, as always. Just kind of fit that on. Works perfectly. No thank you, Wonder. No thanks. Okay. Yep. Works perfectly. Okay. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, I'm gonna put these here for now and start just fitting these on, okay? Yep. First row. Done. Hair looking gorgeous, as always. Part 2 this time. Let's cop a couple switches more, shall we? I'm almost there, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna check. Is recording right? Yep, okay. It's been only 17 minutes. There's a cat here. Hello. How are you, cheeky puss? Say hello to the camera. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. You left into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Oh, alright. Have some spare keycaps then. These are the numbers, and so they are also extremely important. Okay, 3 spare, and all of these things look like the fucking clips in Battlefield. Like when you reload those like certain rifles, bro, it looks like that. Well, quite frankly, I don't think I really want to go into war using keyboard switches, the fucking key switches as ammo. Because these fuckers are expensive, like, bro. half of this keyboard build was just buying the switches. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, Olipand is done. Keyboard done. Now for the beauty. I got these second in the game. Shipped from Banggood. I'm putting a link to everything that I bought into there and my old keyboard in case you see my blues and you're like, I want that. Oh, look at those. Alright, let's get it, bro. Oh, do you hear that, bro? Turns out my camera decided to just turn off. Okay, that's all good then. Didn't want my camera to work. Pause. Pause key works all good. That's FM. Okay. Second control. I'm gonna guess that's select. But I don't think I have a select key. No, I don't. So, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I'll leave it for now, I guess. That might not fit, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. This sounds so good. Sheesh, bro. Trying to take a photo. Pick for the gram. Okay. Let's do the rest of the keys. Bonk. And finally, bonk. Alright, so got this working. Alright, let's do a typing test. Let's do a typing. Wow, bro. What's happening on my voice? Gonna take a pic for the gram. Let's go. Shot like that. A shot like that. Good Instagram. Medium text. Alright. 56 words per minute, and quite frankly, this is the keyboard. I can't even put into words how, like, ecstatic I am that I have this now. Like, took a couple weeks for everything to get here. All here, though. And types beautifully. Thank you. Probably just make a cut here. If not, you can hear me saying this. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This has been me building my keyboard. It types and sounds as gorgeous as I am, and quite frankly, I'm excited for the more content I have. Upcoming soon should be 2 weed trash videos, possibly another one about learning how to edit with Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, edit videos with Adobe Photoshop. Nah, I mean Premiere Pro, and quite frankly, I'm extremely excited and hope you all have a good time watching and a good day.